You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
Now let's start with lab number 24. Lab number 24 is about configuring Microsoft Outlook policies. Now, when I say Microsoft Outlook, we're talking about Outlook on the web or OWA policies here. So first things first, navigate to your Exchange Admin Center here. Now, once you're here, click on Permissions. And under Permissions, click on Outlook Web App Policies. And click on New. Now, you can see that we have all of these settings and all of these options here. So for the name, I'm going to type in external users policy, and I am going to uncheck instant messaging, text messaging, and just these two right now. For now, I'm just going to uncheck these two options here, and I'm going to scroll down, click on more options here. And once the more options load up, I am going to uncheck recover deleted items and also uncheck under file. I think this is right here. Under direct file access, under public or shared computer, under direct file access, I'm going to uncheck this and click on save. So my policy is here, but it doesn't have the recipient. So I go back to recipients and I go to Bill Walsh here. I open Bill Walsh, look for mailbox features, and under this, under sharing policy, not under sharing policy, I'm so sorry, it's not under sharing policy. It is under email connectivity by looks of it. I'll click on view details, browse, and select the external users policy. Click on OK, click on save, and click on save. Now this is how I give the policy that I created, the permissions that I created for Outlook web app, which includes only few roles to one of my users, that is Bill Walsh. Now, similarly, we can do this through the Exchange Management Shell as well. So first things first, I'm going to go to my Exchange Management Shell here. And under this, I'm going to run the command set CAS mailbox. And this one will be for Robert Kiyosaki though. Set client access server mailbox or client access service mailbox for this identity, R Kiyosaki, and set the OWA mailbox policy, external users policy. Now, this one, however, needs a little bit of a small change here, because I copied the command from some other location wherein I had this in a different format or in a different domain name. So this is the policy, and this is what it was set to. All right. Now again, I go back to my Exchange admin, go back to the Exchange admin center again. On the mailboxes, I scroll to Mila Kunis, and under Mila Kunis, okay, when I say under Mila Kunis, I mean the user Mila and under Mila Kunis. If you thought something else, shame on you. You guys need to get your heads out of the gutters. Click on more options. And under custom attributes, I'm going to click on edit. I'm going to type in external for the first custom attribute and click on OK. Then click on save. Now, once this is done, let me quickly run this command here on the Exchange Management Shell. Now this command is basically where I just get mailbox, and the filter that I'm setting is the custom attribute one that we created, that is external, and set the mailbox policy as external users policy. All right, so let me run this command. Now, if anything, if there is any typo or anything, it will show up right here, but you can see that there is no typo here. Now, again, I go back to the mailboxes tab here. I double click on Mail Acuinis. Then under this, I click on Mailbox Features, scroll down, and under Email Connectivity, I click on View Details, and you can see that the external users policy is automatically set up here. Now that is the end of this lab here, and that in this lab we just did the very simple task of setting up certain Outlook web app permissions and assigning those permissions to user mailboxes, and that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this lab, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.